My name is Floyd Codlin, and I'm doing a BA in History of Art at Birkbeck University. I'm standing as a candidate for the post of anti-fascist officer in the current student union elections from November 9th to 16th, 2020. I'm not going to post my manifesto, but what I'm going to do is outline why I think students should vote for me. I'm a mature student and have grown up in a time, the 70s/80s, when it was common discourse family entertainment to hear the words like, and here I'm going to give a trigger warning and a content warning, nig-nog, sooty, blackie, nigger, paki, wog, amongst other sooty terms used to describe people of colour. This is part of my literal experience in my formative years from primary school into young adulthood. Many of the students at Birkbeck are Muslim, Afro-Caribbean, African, Asian, Southeast Asian, Latin American and European. One thing we've all learned is that races are equal opportunity, and I'm more than happy to switch targets. Black Lives Matters in the USA and also here in the UK has shown what a strong, principled, fierce, on-point, multiracial movement can do. I want to bring some of that positive energy to Birkbeck and play a role in making us better than we currently are. Let me end by saying to you this. I hope to be a candidate for the post of anti-fascist officer, and as such I'm reaching out my arms and heart to you. I hope that this is understood, because if I say I care about you, then it means I'm concerned that you have to put up with microaggressions in class, and I'm afraid to speak out in case it looks like that you are the one that's being, in inverted commas, aggressive. If I say I care about you, it means that I care about you having to endure a racist lecturer in your class denying your lived existence. If I say that I care about you, that's because I know that yet again, as a child of Europe, you've heard yet again someone tell you to go home. If I say I care about you, then it's because I felt your anger and shame when once again comments have been made to your face about you wearing a hijab or a kippah. If I say I care about you, it means that I care about whether you can afford to buy a coffee and a sandwich in the canteen before class starts, because you have to consider whether you'll have a job when furlough ends. If I say I care about you, then it means I'm worried that you have to choose between having enough money for your oysters to get to class or whether you should top up your electric or gas. If I say I care about you, then it means I'm worried that as a woman you have to walk through certain areas on campus at night where lighting is limited. If I say I care about you, it's because you feel the studies are getting too much because you're working 2 to 3 jobs and you can't afford childcare. I care about all those things and more because I'll be the anti-racist anti-fascist officer, and my role will be to uplift and defend all of my sisters and brothers. That's why I'm shouting out, anti-racists assemble, and for you all to vote for me in the current Birkbeck student elections. So I'm going to paste the link to the elections as well as to social media on the printed version of this. Thank you for listening.